Good afternoon. This video is about simplifying algebra fractions which are added or subtracted. We do it the same way that we would for normal fractions, except at the end when we're simplifying we group the same terms together. So as if we're adding normal fractions, we have to find a common denominator on the bottom. And one way to do that, an easy way to do that, is to multiply the bottom two numbers or letters that are in the denominator. So I'm going to make this all one fraction and I'll go x times y on the bottom. So I'll have xy, and then we've put that on the bottom, and then we cross multiply what's left on the top. And so I start with my 2 here, and I go 2 times the y at the bottom. So I have 2y on the top, I have a plus sign in the middle, and then I have x times 3, or 3x up there. And that can stay just like that. That's my simplified algebra fraction, all under one denominator, xy. Okay, so another example. So the first step, for that is to multiply the denominators. Multiply denominators. And then the second step is to cross multiply the numerators. Cross multiply. So this is when we're adding or subtracting fractions. Numerators. Okay, so let's do another example. What if we had 2 over 5a plus 3 over 2b equals. So first of all, we take our denominators and multiply those together, the big fraction sign. 5 times 2 is 10, and we have AB on the bottom. I've multiplied those two, and then I cross multiply the others. So 2 times 2b is 4b. I have a plus sign in the middle. My 3, I'm going to multiply by 5a, so that makes 15a. And that's my answer there. I've simplified it into one fraction. Let's just look at another one. We have to be a bit careful. I'll turn the page. Sometimes we have brackets on the bottom. This one is 5 over x plus 2 plus 3 over x plus 1, and we're going to treat this as a bracket here underneath, equals. I have to multiply my two brackets first of all, so on the bottom, as if you're expanding two brackets, so I'm going to have x squared plus 2x plus excuse me, plus 2 on the bottom, and then I cross multiply. So I have 5 times x plus 1 plus 3 times x plus 2 on the top, and I can expand that out as 5x plus 5 plus 3x plus, make sure that's 6 on the top, and x squared plus 2x and 1x is 3x plus 2. Can you see I can simplify this on the top. I've got 5x and 3x equals 8x plus, I've got a 5 and a 6, 11 on the top, and x squared plus 3x plus 2 on the bottom. Now remember, this is as far as we can go I can't go and cancel that 8x with some of these because I've got the plus in here. If they're all multiplied together, I can do some of that cancelling, but I can't here. I've messed that up now, haven't I? So I had 8x plus 11 and x squared plus 3x on the bottom. It's got to stay like that. Okay, we'll do one more example with a minus in it because that is a bit trickier. You've got to be aware of that. Look for here, I've got 4 over x minus 1 minus here 3 over x plus 2. Have a go before you stop the video and have a go yourself. Let's see. So I'm going to start multiply the bottom two brackets, expand those, put it all under one. So I'll have x squared minus 1x plus 2x minus 2 on the bottom. Then I'm going to cross multiply that one, so 4 times x plus 2. Then I have a minus sign, and I've got 3 times x minus 1. Okay, so to expand these top brackets, get rid of those, I'm going to have 4x plus 8. Now this is where we have to be very careful. This is like a negative 3 here that I'm multiplying everything by. So I'm going to have negative 3x, and I have negative 3 times negative 1, which makes a positive 1 on the top there. So over x squared minus 1 plus 2 is plus x minus 2. And the top, I've got 4x minus 3x leaves me with 1x. Okay, 4x take away 3x is 1x or x. And I have 8 plus 1 is 9 over x squared plus x minus 2. That's as far as I can simplify it. Okay, and thank you.